In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books. If you're managing finances and bookkeeping, knowing how to properly categorize transactions is crucial for keeping your accounts organized and accurate. Today, we'll walk through each step to ensure you're able to do this seamlessly. First, you want to start by opening up your web browser and navigating to the Zoho Books website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your account credentials. Look for the sign in button, which should be visible on the home page. Click on it and enter your login details to access your Zoho Books account. This will take you directly to your Zoho Books homepage. With your account open, the next move is to find the banking tab on the dashboard. It's here you'll manage all things financial, so go ahead and click on banking. This will bring up your active accounts, including any bank accounts, credit cards, or petty cash accounts you might have linked to Zoho Books. Within the banking section, click on active accounts. Here, you'll want to navigate to the specific account you wish to work with. For this example, let's select the petty cash account. Clicking on petty cash will display a list of all transactions associated with that account. Once you have your petty cash transactions in view, it's time to categorize them. Click on transactions to see an overview of all activities within that account. This is where you'll make most of your categorizations. Carefully review each entry to determine the appropriate category it should fall under. This step is essential for accurate financial reporting. With your transactions categorized, it's important to check back with the main dashboard. Navigate back to the dashboard by clicking the option at the top of the screen. Here you can get a quick snapshot of your overall financial health and ensure that your categorizations have updated your reports accurately. Now, turn your attention to the credit notes section. You can find this in the main navigation bar. Click on credit notes to view any notes that might be impacting your accounts. This is particularly useful for managing returns or credits owed to customers. The final step in our tutorial is creating a new credit note, if necessary. Find and click on the Create New Credit Note button in the Credit Notes section. Follow the prompts to enter details such as the customer, amount, and reason for the credit. This action will not only help you track credits, but also aid in maintaining clean and organized accounts. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be categorizing transactions in Zoho Books like a pro. This method ensures your financials are neat, facilitate easy reporting, and ultimately help you keep a keen eye on your business's financial standing. Thanks for watching and see you next time for more accounting tips and tricks.